So my new sword has arrived from Kult of Athena. Box looks like it's in good shape, so hopefully it shipped well. Let's unbox it. I'm going to open this box with my foldable miniature Gerber Bear Grylls sword. Looks like they threw in a sticker. It's pretty well packed. Here's the sword itself. Just need to unwrap it. Ria's here to help out. Here we have the sword itself. It is a Fafnir Forge 8th to 9th century Viking sword, modeled after the Petersen Type B blades. You can see the leather scabbard with the belt loop there, or attached to the baldric or some other method. Has a peened pommel. Reinforced scabbard tip. So here you can see the blade. Feels pretty nice. Base, you can see the Fafnir Forge logo. Otherwise, pretty unornamented, which is kind of nice in a way. This sword had the Kult of Athena sharpening service. Looks pretty sharp. I'll have to do some cut tests and such with it. It's a pretty long blade. So this is the Fafnir Forge 8th to 9th century Viking sword.